Companies around the globe are embracing a virtual workplace, whether to access a larger talent pool or offer employees workplace flexibility. Unfortunately, many of these same companies fail to give virtual employees the skills and training needed to have real influence in the workplace. As a result, virtual teams suffer through unproductive meetings, a lack of participation, and mental Zoom fatigue. Change is necessary. Connections are needed. Our Virtual 5 Series workshop provides your team with the skills and knowledge to build stronger relationships, authentically connect, and have influence Monday to Monday. We have taken our proven methods to build workplace in-person influence and customize them to exceed the needs of your virtual employees. By teaching them how to truly connect in a way that moves people to take action, your virtual team will be more productive and better equipped to move business forward. The Virtual 5 Series is designed for 10 team members. It consists of 5 touch points, 3 group sessions, and 2 private coaching sessions that take place over a 2-week period. Touchpoint number 1 begins with a highly interactive 3-hour training session where participants will record themselves multiple times. This allows individuals to observe how others experience them and provides repeated opportunities to practice influence skills with peers and a coach. Touchpoint number 2 takes place that same week where your team receives a private 30-minute one-to-one mentoring session. This session focuses on areas of strengths and skills that need fine-tuning through additional practice. The action steps they receive are specific to their strengths and areas of improvement. We find this increases accountability, drives momentum, and reinforces the habits needed for the skills to stick. Touchpoint number 3 is another team call, which builds on the skills received in the prior session. It dives even deeper into the skills they've learned and offers additional peer and coaching feedback. This touch point also provides new content for participants to focus on in the following days. Touchpoint number 4 offers each of your team members another 30-minute private coaching session where our instructor digs deep into the specific skills each participant wants to improve. Touchpoint number 5 ends with a final team call where participants receive even more new skills to ensure they hold themselves accountable to maintaining their continuous development. Our research shows that to really change and enhance your ability to communicate with influence, momentum and repetition are necessary. This is exactly what our Virtual 5 Series workshop accomplishes. Connect with us to learn more and to take your virtual team to the next level.